Hi guys, I'm Madalaine here at Lakeside Table, and any day that I get to use a blender or a food processor is a good day. And today is definitely a good day because we're making a zippy red pepper coulis that will add zing and pizzazz to so many of your dishes. And I get to use my food processor. We're making a red pepper coulis sauce for a tri-corn chicken dish I just made. But before we go any further, make sure you get all your ingredients and equipment in place. Now for this recipe, you can either use a food processor, a blender, or a hand immersion blender. Everything goes into the blender. 2 roasted red peppers, chicken stock, olive oil, garlic, 1 shallot, red wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, and kosher salt. Blend this on high for 1 minute. And that's it. Crazy easy, right? All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste. Make sure you've got all your seasonings the way you like it. Yeah. Oh, that is so zippy and tangy. It just makes my mouth happy. It's so good. All right, so if you're gonna use this as a dip, go ahead and pour it into a bowl or pour it into a pitcher if you're using it as a sauce. Or you can get super fancy by putting it in a squeeze bottle so you can drizzle with precision. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. I hope you make this and I hope it helps you have fun in your kitchen. So remember to subscribe and then stick around for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. So good.